So I was walking around my house with my Flir camera and I noticed something around the return vent that stood out to me. There are a couple spots that appeared to be significantly cooler than the rest of the house. In this first shot, you see kind of purple spots, so that's the cold locations. It was in the mid to upper 60s, and the rest of the house is in the 70s. So I went up in the attic and found that return vent, and sure enough, there's missing insulation, and you can see hot spots where it's roughly 5 degrees warmer than the rest of the attic. It's the hot spot, missing insulation right there. Another hot spot on the other side. Here's that hot spot. Looking down or from inside looks like a cold spot. Look, missing insulation right there. Right there. Alright, here's the cellulose. We're going to mix it up with the paint stir and the drill. Here we go. Going to add a little insulation. Fill that spot in. A couple inches of cellulose. All right, looking good.